Operation No Nip Slips is a go. I don't really know if I'm feeling the stripes. Alright. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a room tour. This has been so waited for so long. I've been waiting for this moment for so long. I have a lot of big hopes and dreams for this video. I really hope it goes as smoothly as I want it to. I'm definitely going to be pulling up this shirt because I don't want any slippage going on over here. But just the way it's set up, I can't wear a bra with it and I still want to wear this shirt. So we're going to be going through my room, my closet, my bathroom. If you're new to my channel, then hello. My name is Deaja. I make a lot of videos, a lot of college videos, makeup videos, a whole lot of good time. So if you want to join or become a subscriber, then make sure you hit subscribe. Once you're done watching the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys here next time. Or we can start on with the video. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is my doorway. This is what you see when you first walk in. And then when I open up the door completely, this is what you see. My bed, my desk area, and then when you turn, I have a rack of clothes, TV, mirror, everything. That's where I film. This is how I film. Everyone always asks me, like, when I come in, oh, how do you film and blah blah blah. I set it right there and I sit right there and I film for you guys. Right here I have my desk. It says the Asian Jeff. Jeff is my boyfriend. And yeah, we can go ahead and close the door so we can get into it. So when you first walk to the left, when you first come into my room, we have my clothing rack. And I got my clothing rack from Target, actually. And I keep all the clothes that I like for the season. So since it's getting a little nippy outside, I have all my fall stuff. I have sweaters, I have jackets, I have long sleeves out right now. And then like my party and like clubbing outfits are up here. One I wore like a long time ago from other videos up here. Just a lot of outfits that I really like. I keep out right here. Then we have my TV and me. If you were here, ooh, I can probably sit down and do this. But if you were here when I moved into my apartment, I bought this from Walmart. And then this is a projector that I got my boyfriend for his birthday. And sometimes we sit down or we lay down on the bed and we let the projector go above the bed, but soon I'm going to be getting pictures to go up there, so it's going to cut off like the wall so you can't really see it, and then the headboard kind of gets in the way of the projector, but we still love it. And then right here I have my mini fridge. I'm on the 3rd floor, so going up and down for snacks is really not something I'd want to do. But yes, I got it from Wayfair, and it's the brand Magic Chef. I got it from Wayfair because they had this payment plan, which I think is really good for college students that are looking to buy like appliances and stuff, or just big purchases. So I have teas. I love my Diet Lipton tea. I have some Chick-fil-A in here. I have more tea. I have water. I'm a sucker for almond milk. There's a cup full of almond milk. I have Yoplait yogurt. I have spaghetti that my mom cooked. I have cheese, just stocked up. And then up here, it's a freezer. I have Hot Pockets. So yeah, that's my refrigerator. Oh, and I have Yoplait yogurt back there. Strawberry and peach, best kind. All right, then next we have my mirror, the best thing I think I ever bought for this room. I just have these lights going around it. They're from Target. And then the mirror is from Walmart. Obviously, everyone who's ever watched me knows I got this mirror from Walmart. And then I have my curtains right here. I have 2 sets of curtains. Let me open these up. I feel like more light is honestly better than no light at all. So I have this right here. The curtain rod itself came from Walmart, and then the curtains, the gray curtains, the ones you see on the outside, so this one's a gray curtain too, and then this one's like a cream, you can see right there. So the gray ones came from Marshall's, and then the cream one, the sheer one in the middle, came from Walmart, and then the grateful thing came from Marshall's as well. Alright, so next I have my bed, and I have this orange blanket that was also my fall favorites, just for the spooky season. And then I have the white comforter from Zulily, and then I have the white pillow from Marshall's, and then I have the 2 gray pillows from, I think those are still the Tommy Hilfiger ones, and where I washed them since the last time you guys seen them, and then a white body pillow, and then I have my headboard from Wayfair, and I also do a payment plan with that too, and it's really cute. Alright, so first we have my desk area. So first I'm going to start right here with my laptop. I have a candle going, stress relief, I have Q-tips, and then I have a wax warmer. Sometimes the wax burns in there, that's why it's like burning. And then I have a regular candle right here in the candle case my sister got me. Then over here we have my iHome, and I keep just my most recent lashes that I can rewear right here. And then down here I have Vaseline, medicine, a speaker, my Liqueurs like pencil pouch or whatever. I keep my eyelashes right here, the ones that are fresh and brand new, and then I keep the used ones over there. And then I have my Prada glasses, my stapler, my Beats. And then up here, I have the same setup as I did last year in my dorm. I have 2 things. I have the face brushes, and then I have the eye brushes, which I don't know why these aren't the way they are, but there we go. Then I have some room and sprays in the back, a fake plant from Marshall's, and then down here we have more stuff. I keep my favorite lip gloss right here, and then I keep my wallet, my car keys, L'Oreal True Match powder, some deep conditioner, and then my boyfriend likes to do origami with the money, so there's an origami bird, I guess. Then I have my MAC Prep and Prime right here. Then I have my aromatherapy sleep lotion, all my deodorants, my lamp. Then right here I have my Polaroid picture, and then down here I keep all my makeup. And it was separated one time, but now it's not, and it's still dirty, and it's like brown and dirty because I am black, and you know, my makeup is brown. So in here I have just a whole bunch of stuff. Just, I don't even want to really go through it. And then I also do my own like gel nails, but my nails aren't done right now because they take forever to do. So yeah, but I can definitely make a own separate video on just this area right here. Then right here in this gold case I keep my hand sanitizer, my like wallflower plugins. I keep all my cooking candles right here that go into that wax warmer or any other random candle. I already put some purple stuff in the green candle. And then this is the mouse to the projector that we have. And then in here, I'm not going to open them because they're pretty messy, but for the most part, this one is like makeup and stuff, and then this one is school stuff, so notebooks, pens and pencils, and then this one is like textbooks. And then when we go up, we have my printer that my boyfriend got me. I just have my devil stuff on there for Halloween. Oop, man down. I just have my devil stuff on there for Halloween, and it's actually really dusty. And then I have my honey bunches of oats that need to be underneath my bed. And then I have Freddy. And he stays up there as a Halloween decoration that my mom got me. And then I have my Uno cards, my D, because my name is Deaja. I have all my schoolwork stuff up there, the box, the mini light, my LED lamp that my boyfriend got me. I keep trying to put my finger down and it's always in the wrong spot. Then I have 3 little things that I also kept in my dorm. There's my headscarf, there's some kitchen stuff, and then I have like cleaning supplies, Scantrons, all that kind of stuff. And then that leads me to my closet. Okay, so when you first open my closet, this is what it looks like. I have a shoe rack thing right here. I have a 4 cubicle down there. Thing of clothes going right there, and then all my smell goods are in this. It was supposed to be an over the toilet thing, but it didn't fit over the toilet, so I just put it in the closet. So let's go ahead and get started. So up here, this is where I keep all of my purses and one of my ECU blankets. And is there any purses back there? There's another purse back there, but yeah. And then this is where I keep all my shoes. Sorry for the bad lighting. I know the lighting's probably so bad right now. But these are where I keep all my shoes. And then those are like dirty clothes. And then my vacuum, my Halloween costumes and stuff is back there. I honestly want to do a Halloween video, like makeup video, but I don't know. This is all my clothes. Winter like jackets right here, summer stuff right here, long stuff over there. Then up here I have more decoration things I need to put up. I have my beach towel, iron, my towels. I have my paper towels, a water bottle. Oh, this is my mom's candle. Mom, if you're watching this, you gave me this candle during the hurricane. And I said I had no idea where it was, but I found it now. And then I have all my candles and like lotions, sprays, and stuff like that. And then when you open up this part, if it'll open, I have all my like soaps that I plan on using for the year. I have like hand soaps, body soaps. I have my lotions for my eczema when the like season gets really cold. Foot lotion. I have, once again, more body lotion, and then more hand lotion. Then I have like rags and stuff for like guests and whatever. And then over here is where I keep my dirty, not even dirty, just like used towels from the shower that I want to reuse again. And I use the over the door hook that I had from last year. And then yeah, that's my closet. I don't know why it's so hard for me to close out this video. This is like my 50th time taking this clip, but okay guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if there's anything I showed, anything that you might personally want and you don't know where it's from. Comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer where they're from. And yeah, I don't know why that was so hard for me to say every 49th time that I took it, but I'm finally saying it in one go. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.